I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself logged out of your Outlook email account, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Go to the Outlook sign-in page. Visit the Outlook sign-in page and click on Can't access your account. This will direct you to the recovery options. Step 2. Choose your recovery option. Select the recovery method you prefer, such as receiving a code via text message or email. Make sure you have access to the recovery method you choose. Step 3. Enter your information. Input your email address and the characters shown on the screen to verify your identity. This step is crucial for security purposes. Step 4. Retrieve the code. Check your phone or email for the code sent by Microsoft. Enter this code in the provided field to continue the recovery process. Step 5. Reset your password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure it is strong and unique to enhance your account security. If you follow these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Outlook account without too much hassle. Good luck, and remember to keep your recovery options updated.